shocks. These things have been a bane of my existence, especially when you need to rebuild them or just replace the fluid. Because that's what I need to do, and these things have been such a pain in the butt. But trust me, I found a really surefire method on getting these things apart and making them work really good. I mean, take it from me, I've made a lot of mistakes in my life, like using wire nippers to grip my shock bodies, which you can see like right there. That's something you don't want to see. So, how to get this stubborn boy to a disassembled boy? Let me show you. All you need, screwdriver, pliers, and duct tape. And it's super stinking genius. So let me show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your shock is devoid of oil residue, so go wash it off with some dish soap. So once you've got your shock all washed off and dried off, take it apart, pull that off, pop that right there, pull that, spring, little cap, the washer right here, and boom, there's your shock. So just to make sure, I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit. There we go, nice and dry. So here's the part where the duct tape comes in. So if you're just trying to use these little nippers right here to grip your metal, you'll be gripping it more, but at the cost of damaging and probably not even unscrewing this top cap right here. So what I found out was that trying to get more friction on this little shock body right here, I tried everything. I tried rubber bands, I tried rubber hose, which I don't have, and it just, none of it worked. So what I did was, take my duct tape right here. What you do is you just take your shock body, stick it in there. Oh shoot, it's still oily. Give me a minute here. I need to go wash this off again. Alright, now it's properly washed off. So then you take your duct tape right here and you just wrap it. Oops, got a little bit on the cap, but you just wrap it all around your body. Probably do this like 2 or 3 times. Let's see, once. I think that's plenty right there. Tear off the tape. Bam. Alright. So the final step in doing this, you grip the duct tape with your pliers, and then you just stick your screwdriver in here. Oh, come on. And just... It really works better if you've got smooth pliers like this. So if you have some smooth edge that you can grip it with, and it'll work the best. So you grip it, smooth edge right there, and you just, come on. Try to get some leverage on here. Come on. There it goes. And it might take a little bit of pressure. But yeah, you just crack it open by putting some pressure on that duct tape and just unscrewing it with a screwdriver. Like that. You need to get as much leverage, so stick only a little bit in there, and so that way you can get a lot of leverage. Now we can unscrew this thing. See, it's got some shock oil in there, but we're going to replace it. Let me take my little cup right here. And just dump that all out. There we go. And then when you're done with that, all you gotta do is just take the duct tape off, which maybe you get some scissors for, but once you find an edge, usually you can just, yeah, there we go. You can just peel the duct tape off when you're done. And it's honestly one of the best hacks that I've ever figured out. Well, there you go. When you disassemble your shocks and you're having trouble and you don't have the right U-shaped wrench that's out of stock, then just use some duct tape. Duct tape works completely fine. Make sure you wash your stuff off, get all the oil out of there, and don't use your nippers to grab your shock bodies.